are 47 food deserts in the Triad. That means that 150,000 of our community members, our neighbors, are living in food insecurity every day. Courtesy of Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina, the American Heart Association Mobile Teaching Kitchen is working with community partners to make a difference.
Our Triad Mobile Kitchen chef has been able to teach healthier cooking skills to over 10,000 families in the Triad. During times of deepened needs, Chef N'Gai Dickerson has helped to convene with partners to serve nearly 3,000 meals a day and to identify the greatest needs facing our community.